Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
That's my elephant impression. It was the best one I could do. Today, we are going to draw an elephant. I hope you are ready because this is going to be very fun. And this is going to be very interesting, I think, because to draw this elephant, all we need are 3 shapes and lines. Actually, they're just basic line. So we have a circle, and we have an arc, and a line. With that, we're going to create this elephant. Now, before we get started drawing our elephant, I think it's very important that we get into character and become an elephant. So, with me, let's get our trunks and put them on our nose and wag them back and forth. And make your best elephant sound now. When you have to stomp, 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 stomp. Thank you very much. You are a wonderful elephant. So, to draw our elephant, we are going to start with the arc. I'm going to put my reference drawing right here so we can follow along. And I'd like you to take your paper and put it down so it's nice and flat there. And it's this way, so we have plenty of space to draw on our paper this way, so it's horizontal and landscape there. I am going to use a marker to do my drawing, but you can use crayons, you could use a pencil, you could use markers or paint sticks or colored pencils. You can use whatever you want, whatever you're comfortable with. I am going to use a marker. So starting with the arc, we are going to put our drawing material right here and just create an arc just like this. And that is going to be the top of the head of the elephant. Now, we made the arc this way to start. Now we're going to go the other way and make the trunk. So we'll start here, and we're going to make the arc the other way, right there. So now you can see it looks like a very wide-looking S shape. So 1 arc, 2 arcs, and then we're going to do a line, just a short line like that, and that'll be the tip of the trunk. Then we'll take, at the bottom of that line, we're going to make another arc to go back up to form that trunk. Right about there. And I bet you guessed it, we're going to draw another arc. And that will be the little smiley face, because we have a happy elephant. Right there. Now we'll do another arc here, and that will be the chin area going down the bottom to the neck, and then it'll go down to the legs. So a straight line here. And then we'll go another straight line across, and then a straight line up. And we have a leg and a foot. And then we're going to do the bottom, the belly. And is your elephant ticklish? If you draw the line of the belly across to here, you kind of have to make a tickle sound when you do it, or you have to giggle. You have to go across because you're tickling your elephant. What would an elephant laugh like? Would it be like? So draw the bottom of your belly there, and then we're going to do another line right here. And that'll be the other leg that goes into the foot, and then we'll go across the bottom of the foot, and then we're going to go up, up, up with a line right to about here, and we're going to stop at the elephant's butt. Then, at the top of the elephant, right at the back of its head right here, we're going to go across with a straight line. We'll go across and across and across, and we're going to stop sort of about here, so that you're in line with this invisible line here that goes to the leg, the back leg here. And right here, we're going to connect this line to this line with an arc. And we're going to draw the elephant's butt. Ah, elephant butt. There we go. So you can go over your line just to make it solid there. And now I'm going to add in the other legs. At the front here, we're going to add a straight line right about halfway between these two. The back of the arc and the front of the arc right here. We're going to go straight down. And then we'll go across with another line. And to the last leg we have to do is here. We're going to start right about here and do a straight line down. And then we'll go again across. And we have the back leg. Okay, this is looking good. I think we need to add the toes in. What do you think? We need some toes. So we're just going to use short lines. And they'll go right here. Watch. We're going to do 2 on each foot. So we'll do 1, 2. And then we'll do 1, 2. And 1, 2. And the last one's 1, 2. Very good. So now our elephant has some toes. It has a trunk. I think it needs an eye. So we'll draw a little circle. The only circle that we're drawing, but we had to put it on the sheet here because we're using it, right? The only circle we're drawing, we're going to put right here. So imagine an imaginary line that goes up from the smile, and we're just going to start right here and add a circle. And that makes a cute little elephant. So we need 2 more things to complete our elephant. We need to make a tail off of the butt, and we're going to have to make a big ear. So first, let's make the tail. The tail is going to start here on the butt, and it's going to come all the way down. Because some elephants have long tails. All the way down. This is an arc that you're making. It's a wide arc. And it's going to go down to about here. And then to make the hairy tip of the tail, we're just going to make 2 arcs that will face each other. So an arc on this side, and then an arc facing it on the other side. And now we have our tail. What's the last part? The most fun part, I can't hear you, it's the ear! The elephant ear. It's so big. Elephants have such big ears. And we are going to make this ear right here. We're going to start at the top of the head, and we're going to make 2 arcs. But they're going to look like one big swooping line when we're done. It's going to start here, and there's 1 arc, and you're going to keep your marker down, and you're going to continue, and you're going to finish it right here. So we'll make another arc that comes around like this. And there is our elephant ear. Now, it looks like our elephant is floating in the air. I think we need to make some ground for it to stamp on. What do you think? Maybe we should make here. We'll start our line here, and we'll have it go across to make it so that the elephant has something to stand on. And you can add. We'll make it drinking water from a little stream or a pond or something, some small body of water. So right here, we're going to add arcs, and we're going to create little waves. There's an arc, then another arc, and then another arc, and then another arc. And then you can make it so that this is the ground here, this is the grass, so we can draw some grass, and we can do some lines. That can be the grass. You can just draw these all the way across. You know, just short and long lines. You can make it look like grass. And then here's our water, and you can add another arc here, and another arc here. Our elephant is going to take a nice drink. And maybe in the background, we can put some clouds in the sky with arcs. So use your arc, and all you're going to do is create an arc and go around and connect them. So you have a fluffy cloud, and then we'll do the same thing over here with arcs. We'll create another fluffy cloud here. You can change the sizes of your arcs. You can make small arcs, big arcs, and that'll give your cloud a lot of character and a lot of personality. And if you want, you can even put smiley faces on your cloud if you want, or sad faces, whatever you want to do. I'm going to make this cloud happy. And I'm going to make this cloud over here really happy. I'm going to use 2 upside down U's or arcs there, because this cloud is closing its eyes as it's so happy, and a big smile. So there's the cloud smiling, and let's put a sun over here. Maybe the sun is smiling too. We'll put another arc or upside down U's there, and then a smiley face arc. Some lines coming out of the circle for the sun rays. And I think we have our scene here. Look at that. We've got our elephant and some clouds and sun, and we added some water for the elephant to drink from. Maybe we should color this in. What do you think? I'm going to use some crayons to color in today. I'm going to do all the coloring with crayons. Let's see. I think I am going to do a purple sky. We'll use purple just for fun, just to mix it up. I'm going to put purple all around here. What color do you think your elephant is going to be? I wonder what color my elephant is going to be. I mean, elephants are gray, and sometimes you can make them blue if you're drawing an actual elephant, like a bluish kind of gray. It's a cool gray when something has a bluish tint to it. You'd say it's cooler color. If it has a reddish tint to it, you could say that it's a warmer color. So usually you use gray, and that would be like a gray crayon like this to color your elephant. We're going to use our imagination and come up with some fun colors that we could use for our elephant that we're creating today, because this is an elephant from our imagination. If you want, you can make a gray elephant. You can draw an elephant from real life, or you could draw a rainbow elephant if you want, or you could make a purple sparkly elephant. You can make an invisible elephant. If you were going to make an invisible elephant standing in front of a purple sky, you probably want to color your elephant in purple too. I am going to create, let's see, a green elephant standing in front of a purple sky. So I'm going to use the color green and color in the trunk, and then the ear. Can you hear me now, elephant? You look amazing! And then the legs. And tickle the belly. And tickle the toes. And tickle the side. And there we go. And let's maybe the hair on the tail, we'll make that blue. So we've got our green elephant with a blue tail. And I'll make the sun yellow because it'll stand out real nice against the purple sky. And I think there'll be blue water that the elephant is drinking. And I think maybe, let's see if we'll make some orange ground. Or this is a dark orange. What color is this? This is scarlet. I didn't expect that, but I like it. I like it a lot. I think that this Looks really fun. What do you think? What does your elephant look like? We should all do our elephant impersonations now. Okay, one more time before we go. This is my elephant. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I'm going to do my elephant. Please visit our website at drawwithmrmike.com and share your art. You can email me at info@chicatello.com. The email address is on the website, drawwithmrmike.com. And I would love to see your art. I'd love to share your art behind me or on my Instagram page, Draw with Mr. Mike. I would love to hear from you and see your art and how you're doing. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with